Hello and welcome to the day 3 of our physical fitness test. And today is a continuation of our topic yesterday about strength. Now let's have the basic plank.
The basic plank. Purpose: to measure strength of upper body muscles.
And here is our equipment. We have the exercise mat or any clean mat. The procedure. For the tester, assume a prone lying position with toes, elbows, and forearms on the floor, fingers pointing towards the direction of the head. For the performer, set the stopwatch to 0, then signal go. Stop the clock when the performer makes extra movements, drop the knees or elbows, and reach 30 seconds clocking. And here is the scoring for the basic plank. Let's consider the table. The column 1 is all about the scores. Column 2 are the time rendered during the test. The third column is the interpretation. And that ends up the day 3 of week 3.